First flight. Autel Alpha tutorial. Before you use the product, please read the user manual and related safety instructions carefully. Pre-flight preparations. Open the rugged case. Take out the remote controller, the drone, the batteries, and the gimbal. Make sure that the aircraft and remote controller both have a battery level of more than 90%. Unfold the front and rear arms of the aircraft. You will hear a click sound, indicating that the arm locking button has securely locked the arms. Place the aircraft on level ground and extend all the propellers. Install the aircraft batteries and ensure the battery unlock levers are fastened. Take command sticks and install them separately on the remote controller. Finally, insert the micro SD card into the card slot of the gimbal. Remove the protective covers. Align the red dot on the gimbal lock ring with the red dot on the aircraft's gimbal interface and insert it into the aircraft's gimbal interface. Rotate the gimbal lock ring to the clockwise direction and you will hear a click sound. The gimbal is securely mounted. Power on the aircraft and controller separately. The controller will enter the Enterprise app automatically. Wait until the aircraft completes self-check and there's no warnings. Takeoff and landing. Before flight, stand at least 10 meters away from the rear arms of the aircraft. Extend the antenna of the remote controller and adjust it to an appropriate position to make sure it reaches the best state. The default stick mode is Mode 2. In this mode, the left stick controls the ascent and descent and the heading of the aircraft. The right stick controls the forward and backward, left and right movement of the aircraft. Takeoff. Manual takeoff. After the aircraft completes self-check, simultaneously move the left and right sticks inward or outward for 2 seconds to start the motor. Then push the left stick up, and the aircraft will take off. If you do not control the command stick, the aircraft will hover in place. Auto takeoff. Press and hold the Takeoff Return to Home button for 2 seconds until you hear a beep sound. The aircraft will automatically take off and hover at a height of 1.2 meters. Landing. When the aircraft is hovering, pull the left stick down and the aircraft will descend. And when it arrives at a height of 1.2 meters, and will enter the assisted landing process. Then the aircraft will automatically land slowly and the motors will stop after that. Please land in an open area. During a mission, short press the pause button for 1 second and you will hear a beep sound. The mission will be paused and the aircraft will hover in place. Long press the pause button for 2 seconds to exit the mission. Press and hold the Takeoff Return to Home button for 2 seconds until you hear a beep sound. The aircraft will automatically return and land at the present home point. Hot swapping batteries. The Smart Battery supports the hot swappable function. You can change batteries without powering off the aircraft. When replacing battery, unlock the lever. Take out the battery and replace a fully charged battery. Wait till the battery indicator light is on. Follow the same steps to replace the other one. Storage. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn off the aircraft. Unlock the battery lever to take out the batteries. Hold the gimbal with one hand and press the gimbal unlock button. Rotate the gimbal lock ring to the anti-clockwise direction to take down the gimbal slowly. Push the arm locking button on the rear arms to fold both rear arms toward the front of the fuselage. Push the arm locking button on the front arms to fold both front arms towards the rear of the fuselage. Make sure that the propellers are well folded. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn off the remote controller. Take down the command stick and store it at the back of the controller. Put the gimbal, aircraft, batteries, and remote controller into the rugged case. Close and lock the case to finish storage. Thanks for watching.